Discover versus Capital One credit card, which is best for you. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, we'll dive into a comparison between the two of the most popular personal finance software tools, which is Discover and Capital One credit cards. And to create an account on Discover and Capital One, you can use the link in the description below, in which by clicking on it, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, Discover and Capital One are known players in the credit card industry, each providing a variety of cards with features and benefits. So let's start by knowing Discover. It is recognized for its cashback rewards programs, which include rotating bonus categories and the cashback match program that matches all the cashback earned during the year. And Discover cards typically have no fees and offers additional perks such as free monitoring of your FICO credit score. On the other hand, Capital One offers a range of cards designed to cater different lifestyle and spending habits. Their offerings include travel rewards cards, cashback cards, as cards specifically tailored for building or rebuilding credit. And Capital One emphasizes flexibility when it comes to redeeming rewards and provides tools like CreditWise for monitoring your credit. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing the other details about Discover and Capital One credit card. So let's now proceed to Discover versus Capital One credit cards comparison. And as you can see on the table here, in terms of travel credit cards category, Discover offers a Discover 8 miles, which you can earn unlimited 1.5 miles per dollar on all purchases, and no annual fee, and automatically matches all miles earned in the first year. No travel benefits beyond no foreign transaction fees. On the other hand, Capital One offers Capital One Venture X Rewards, in which premium travel card with airport lounge, membership, and $300 travel credit, and global entry or TSA pre-check fee credit, and $395 annual fee, while Capital One Venture Rewards offer $95 annual fee, includes global entry or TSA pre-check credit. And aside from that, they also offer a cashback cards category in which Discover it cashback, rotating 5% cashback categories up to $1,500 spending per quarter, and 1% on other purchases, first year cashback match, and no annual fee. On the other hand, Capital One Savor rewards cashback on dining and entertainment amounting to $95 annual fee, while Capital One Quicksilver is unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases and no annual fee. And aside from cashback cards, they also offer a 0% APR cards category in which Discover it cashback offers intro 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for a specified period. And it also offers Discover it miles, which is no intro APR offer, while Capital One Quicksilver intro 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for a specified period. And aside from that, in terms of credit building cards category, Discover offers Discover it Secured, in which requires a security deposit, helps build credit, and Discover it Student Cashback, which also suitable for credit building and no annual fee. On the other hand, Capital One Secured MasterCard, which requires a security deposit, helps build credit, while Capital One Platinum, which has no annual fee and designed for credit building. Now moving on to the best Discover credit cards. The first one is Discover it Cashback, in which it offers reward rate up to 5% cashback on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, such as grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and many more. It also offers a welcome bonus cashback match Discover matches of all cashback earned in the first year, and it has no annual fee, and the regular APR is 17.24% to 28.24%, which is a variable APR. And the second on the list is Discover it Miles, which has a reward rate that you can earn unlimited 1.5 times miles for every dollar spent on all purchases, while the welcome bonus of it is Discover Match, in which Discover doubles the miles earned in the first year, and it also has no annual fee and the same regular APR, which is 17.24% to 28.24%, and the variable APR. And aside from that, they also offer a Discover it Student Cashback, which has a reward rate up to 5% cashback on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, such as grocery stores, restaurants, and gas stations. It also offers a welcome bonus of cashback match and no annual fee, while the regular APR of it is 18.24% to 27.24% variable APR, which is ideal for students and those new to credit. And aside from that, they also offer Discover It Chrome that has a reward rate that you can earn 2% cashback at gas station and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter automatically. It also offers a welcome bonus of cashback match, and it has no annual fee, and the regular APR of it is 17.24% to 28.24% variable APR. Now moving on to best Capital One credit cards is the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card, which has a reward rate up to 5 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel that you can earn unlimited 2 times miles on every purchase. And aside from that, they also offer a welcome bonus that you can earn 75,000 bonus miles, and it has an annual fee of $95, while its regular APR is 19.99% to 29.99%, which is variable. And the credit score required is excellent or good, which is 700 to 749 credit score. And aside from that, it also offers a Capital One Venture X Rewards credit cards, which has a reward rate that you can earn 2 miles per dollar on all eligible purchases and 5 miles per dollar on flights, plus 10 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. And it also offers a welcome bonus that you can earn 75,000 bonus miles, in which it has an annual fee of $395, and the regular APR of it is 19.99 to 29.99%, which is variable. And the credit score it offers is excellent, which is 750 to 850 credit score. And aside from that, they also offer a Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards credit card, which has a reward rate that you can earn unlimited 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores excluding superstores like Walmart. And it has a welcome bonus that you can earn $200 cash bonus, and it has no annual fee, with a regular APR of 19.99 to 29.99%, which is variable, and credit score excellent or good, which is 700 to 749 credit score. Now moving on to customer service comparison, Discover customer service is highly regarded for its customer service. The representatives are available round the clock, and all customer support is handled within the United States, and you can easily reach them via phone or online chat. And additional features is that Discover cards also offer perks such as no foreign transaction fees and automatic matching of all miles earned in the year, which is applicable to cards like Discover 8 Miles. Now moving on to customer service of Capital One, it also provides a 24/7 customer service, although they don't specifically highlight being US-based like Discover. Their responsiveness and helpfulness are commendable. And the additional features they offer is that Capital One cards come with a variety of benefits, including travel rewards, cashback, options, and opportunities to build credit. And for instance, the Capital One Venture X Rewards card offers premium travel benefits, while the Capital One Quicksilver card provides cashback. Now in conclusion, deciding between Discover and Capital One credit cards ultimately comes down to preferences, spending habits, and financial goals. Discover offers benefits like cashback rewards, no annual fees, and unique features such as cashback match program. On the other hand, Capital One provides a range of cards option designed for different lifestyles, including travel rewards and cashback incentives, in which both companies prioritizes customer service and technological advancement by offering user apps and online account management tools. And to make the choice, consumers should carefully assess each card perks, fees, and rewards structures based on their individual needs and preferences, whether you value cashback opportunities or prefer redemption options. Both Discover and Capital One offer options in the competitive credit card market. So that is just a comparison review between Discover and Capital One credit card. Thank you.